Alright, today I'm taking a look at the Wirefy multi-crimping toolkit. So you can see it does come in a fairly good plastic case. We got some instructions. It comes with a stripper and the crimper. Alright, so it does have a nice ratcheting mechanism to it. So you know that this thing is crimped properly because when you squeeze all the way, it will release. And there is a mechanism in here, so if you get something jammed in there and you need to get it out, you can just lift up on that and that will release it. So there is kind of a safety option built in, so that's good. Now these jaws are interchangeable. You just kind of slip it out like that. You can see there is a detent ball stuck inside, so that's what locks this thing in. So that's a pretty positive grip on there. You know when it's locked all the way in. Everything is color coded, so if you grab a yellow fork to connect to a larger wire, then you already know which one it needs to go into. It needs to go into that yellow marked spot. Now my buddy's already been using this, and I'm not sure if this actually comes with it or if he actually filled this. I think that he filled it. Yeah, that's just mixed and match. So it is nice that they've got these in here. So if you use this thing all the time like we're going to, then you can just fill this up with your favorite terminals and you just take the case and you'll have everything you need. I mean, you got a stripper, you got the crimper, literally everything you need. And it does say on the case which of these is what. So it says insulated terminals, insulated flag terminals, non-insulated terminals, open barrel terminals, and ferrule terminals. So it tells you exactly what this is for. And on the jaw itself, it says B. So B matches up here. So if you take one out and then stick another one in, you can always put it back to where it was. So C is the open barrel, D is the ferrule terminal. So this one says A5, which means that this one is actually A. So that one would go here, which means that it comes with the heat shrink terminal jaw attached. So that's what this one is. So we currently have the insulated terminal jaw on. So that is going to be for this. These are just basic, insulated terminals. You got insulation on them. And the stripper goes from a 22 gauge down to a 10 gauge. So we have quite a variety there, as is to be expected. I'm pretty sure this is a 14 gauge, but I might be wrong. All right, let's look at one. So I'm going to take my blue terminal and I'm just going to get it started on there. Then I'll stick my wire in just so it's barely poking out the other side. Give it a squeeze. There we go. Perfect crimp. So these things are fantastic. I just gotta keep it from getting messy. But yeah, overall this is a fantastic set. Very happy to have it.